Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to download and install TeamViewer. So it's what we shall be trying to do here. I'll be showing you how to do it. So I'll provide the links in the description so that you can go ahead and follow along then to download the TeamViewer. So to download for free, you have to click here. Because there is a paid version and the free version, so you have to be having an internet connection so that you can go ahead and download this TeamViewer. So I'll download. After downloading, then we shall continue with the video, guys. So guys, I'm done with downloading the exe file. So I'll go ahead to run it. I'll run it. So how do you want to proceed here? Default installation, install setup as attended access to business. I run only one-time use. You shall go with default. So if you want to know the advantages, they will also show you here. Then you have to click on accept.